Hi guys, this is Adam.
This is Sebastian.
And we are
Family Bobby.
And what are we going to do today? What we got today?
A keyboard.
A keyboard, 37 keys, Soundlinky keyboard. And we're going to test and review that thing today.
VF420 piano keyboard is aimed at children aged 3 years upwards.
Would you like to open it?
Yes.
Wait, let's do it that way. Let's do it that way. Whoa! Nice! It comes without batteries, so we'll have to put 3 AA batteries into it. Oh, we need the screwdriver.
The keyboard uses 3 AA batteries and you can plug it in using the supplied USB cable.
Now just turn it on.
Let's do it.
Ow.
All of the features are clearly labelled and the keyboard feels fine when you are playing. Here are the keyboard's features. 37 keys with 4 voices polyphony means you can simultaneously play up to 4 keys at the same time. 8 tones and 8 rhythms. 11 demo tunes. 4 animal sound effects. Of 4 drum effects. And record and play short melodies. The sound quality, well, this retails for just around £20 or $20 or €20 on Amazon and is sold as a children's toy. So it isn't concert standard obviously, but it's all about good fun.
Want to see it in action? Check it out. My dad will play some tunes on this fab little keyboard.
Okay, let's play some tunes. It's very portable, so you can easily carry it around, and I'm impressed by the quality of the build considering the low price.
If you're thinking about buying this one, there's an Amazon link in the video description when you could find it for the fair price. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it pretty informative. Please show us some love, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to Family Pop TV.